Ngayon, simulan natin.
Incense para sa ritual ng pagpapagawa ng bahay. Tapos,
habang binubuhos yung wine sa ground, ang sasabihin mo, may all the blessing be with us. So be it.
may all the blessing be with us, so be it.
May all the blessing be with us, so be it. May all the blessing be with us. Konti-konti. May all the blessings, ha? Be with us. Yan. So be with it. Yan. So be with it. May all the blessing be with it.
2 to 3 minutes.
So 2 to 3 minutes, silent muna tayo. Then yung iba, yung pala, ang gagawin is pupupukin natin yung lupa. Kasi you're knocking on the ground sa ibang dimension. Nag-a-ask tayo ng permission na tayo na ang bagong may-ari at may ipapatayo na tayong na property dito na sana tulungan tayo at maging mutual ang understanding natin. So ibang dimension ito. Ground. So,
Ano gagawin?
Tama-tama. Kami na lang din. So, ipakpok lang natin sa ground, ha? Nag-aas tayo ng permission. Okay. Ask lang ng permission na sana ito walang understanding natin. Ang wish natin ay dadasal na natin na maging safe ang construction, maging matibay ang building, maging mabilis ang construction at walang disgrasya na mangyayari. At lahat ng taong titira dito ay magiging healthy, maraming blessings ang darating. So magdasal na tayo sa ating dasalin. Amen. So dear Jesus, thank you for this new house that we are building. Please bless it and make it a home filled with your love and grace. Guide us through the construction process and may all the work be done with excellence and integrity. May this new blessing be used to bring glory to your name. May we be blessed with good health, happiness, success, and abundance. May this home be built, be a sacred dwelling for us and our children. May those who visit us feel peace and love. We decree